Alright, so I'm on the road again. Head to Atlanta, FabTech 2022. Actually going to the airport now. Pick up Chris from Fronius Chris. You guys might remember him from some videos way back. Anyway, FabTech, gonna be there 2 days. Yeah, it's gonna be a good time. Alright, we out here. FabTech now. Just gotta find the Fronius booth. I think I see it though. Pretty crowded. This is just one hall right here. So, lots going on.
In the we're running steel, 445, change that. That rips the spatter out of it. So it obviously just works with steel, but it's cleaner. It's designed to extend the life of the consumables on the front. Everything.
So you can see where I started it and it just sat there. So instead of your normal cold wire where it's going to push it away or end up with a giant bow, it just kind of slowed it down. And then I sped up a lot. So because I sped up so much, we didn't lose the same bead shape, but it still kept it up. And then at the very end, I just stopped again.
So in the Fronius booth, I didn't really tell anybody earlier, but I never did get my pass to get in here. I'm just using my SEMA pass. The lines were too long. I was like, I'll see if they'll just let me in. I'll go back later and get my other pass. It's crowded, bunch of people, bunch of stuff going on. They got these welding tanks set up where you can basically try out any machine they've got here. All right, finally got me an official pass. Just in time to go take a little lunch break right here with the view. So anyway, FabTech's awesome. If you haven't been, I really suggest everybody, if you're anywhere close and you can make it. Actually, you know what? For that point, not even necessarily FabTech, like just any of these conventions. If you're into motorsports, PRI is a good one, SEMA, really any of them. I highly suggest you go. It kind of broadens your horizons. It opens your eyes to what is actually available out there in the market. Kind of stretches your imagination a little bit. Makes the box that you think in a little bit bigger. So they're good to go to. I kind of dread it sometimes, but yeah, they're pretty good. I mean, get out, go to SEMA, go to PRI, go to make it to FabTech if you're more of the, if you kind of geek out more on the equipment side of it. I actually personally prefer the motorsports ones a little bit better. PRI is probably my favorite because a lot more parts and mechanics and high performance stuff versus just show cars kind of stuff you get at SEMA. But yeah, y'all make it happen. Go to Planet right now. Family vacation. Next trade show that interests you, go to it. Anyway, gonna kind of hang out here, finish up my lunch, enjoy the breeze. It's actually super nice, 72 degrees I think today. And then I might go back into the show just for a little bit. I think we got after party at the Hard Rock tonight, so I might need to take a little nap before then. I mean, I'm getting old. Anyway, stay tuned. Pretty cool. So I'm walking through and I'm thinking about the fact that I haven't seen any like blue collar, hard, handmade metal shaping equipment here. And this is FabTech, right? So where's all the planishing hammers and the English wheels and the power hammers? Where's all that stuff at? Maybe it's here and I haven't seen it, but I haven't seen anything like that. Everything is like automated, major industrial. Like where's the stuff that puts calluses on your hands?
They're pretty much cold walker TIG. They're being fed through like a spool gun, kind of like a big wire. There's no current coming through the wire. It's fed right through the torque. So this takes the place of your left hand. The dynamic wire comes into play where this will go down into the puddle and then it senses like a closed circuit and then it measures the resistance and it'll actually feed the wire for you. You don't have to adjust the wire speed.
All right, day one in the books. I'm gonna head back to the hotel just for maybe just a little bit, throw my feet up. And then we got a little party we're going to at the Hard Rock. I was talking to a lot of people today, and it sounds like everybody's gonna be there, so it'll be interesting. I'll try to get some footage of that. Should be a good time. See y'all at the Hard Rock.